Why would my law firm require a blog? How specifically can a blog or a writer help me besides with SEO? SEO is difficult and takes a long time to rank. It doesn't seem like a profitable channel. All right, so here's how you make a blog profitable. And we get a lot of traffic for our clients from blog posts. And the reason why is because we use this very specific method. So you're right, SEO takes a long time. It's very competitive. That's if you're going after the main keywords. So if you're a DUI lawyer and you're trying to rank for Baltimore DUI lawyer, then yes, it's going to be very, very difficult for you and it's going to take a long time. Not impossible, but it's going to take a long time. So the blog, if you do the blog correctly, then the blog will be able to answer the questions that people typically have when they have a DUI. So what I would do is, what we always do is we go to Google and we search DUI attorney. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see a section that says people also ask. So write down all those questions. And at the bottom, you're going to see a section that says related searches or people also search for or something like, I don't know what it is. But all the way at the bottom, there's additional searches, right? And what you're going to start seeing is you're going to start seeing patterns. And these are all generated by what Google sees users searching for and what Google thinks users want to find when they're searching for DUI lawyers. So Google came out and said a long time ago that they were trying to return a list of answers rather than a list of results. So if you think about that, what that means is that they're trying to anticipate the questions that people have when they search something. So, for example, anyone that searches for Baltimore DUI lawyer, they probably have the same questions that other people have when they got a DUI. So they're curious, what are the consequences for a DUI? Am I going to go to jail? Am I going to lose my license? Who's the best DUI lawyer? How much does a DUI cost? What are the fines for a DUI? Do I have to go to the DMV? All of these different questions that people are going to have. So Google tries to answer them preemptively. And what you can do is you can go through and you can write blog posts that are addressing these questions that Google already thinks that people are going to ask. Now, here's the thing. When you search DUI lawyer or Baltimore DUI lawyer and someone says, what are the penalties for DUI, right? Google kind of usually returns like they don't return a location-based result, right? So most of the time, if you're in Baltimore, someone's going to search what are the penalties for DUI in Maryland, or in Baltimore County or different things like that, or in, Carroll County, whatever part of Maryland you're in. So if you start using these types of keywords combined with if you start seeing what people are searching for and then start putting local modifiers with it, then you can start writing blog posts that have no competition that people are actually searching for, and they rank really, really fast. And what will end up happening is you get traffic from them. We have clients that get 1,000, 2,000 hits a month just from a single blog post that we wrote that's specific to a question that people ask, and specific to a question that people frequently ask after something happens to them, whether it's a personal injury or family law or whatever it is, like divorce lawyer fees, for example. Divorce lawyers are a really competitive niche. But if you can create a blog post that talks about divorce lawyer fees, then you can rank for that a lot faster than just divorce lawyer. And it's people that are looking for a divorce lawyer because they're researching how much they cost. So that's how it works, is that if you just create really good content that is answering the questions that people have, then you're on their radar, and then you can go in and get your sales pitch that way, and you got to write your website content that in a way that's going to make you the answer to the problem. That's a really, really effective strategy, that content strategy. We use that constantly. That's a major part of the strategy for our clients. I got a testimonial not too long ago from a DUI attorney in Seattle that we work with, who was saying that he's gotten a ton of cases just from our blog posts that we've done. And it's just because we anticipate what are the questions that people ask, and we answer them. Another really good resource for this is answerthepublic.com. You can put in DUI lawyer, DUI attorney, personal injury attorney, car accident lawyer, whatever you want, and it pulls back a ton of results. It's really, really a cool website to use, and it's free. I think you get like 5 searches a day for free on it or something like that. So that's answerthepublic.com.